Welcome to SunQuote. This tool will assist you to create project specification and pricing to generate an offer for customers. To begin, log into SunQuote with your given username and password. You will enter the main menu page, which will show you a list of all the projects. You can view it in a list format, search for a specific project, and also view general details from here. To create a new project, select New Project and enter a project title. Click Save and it will bring you to the project overview page. You can select a company name and enter your name and details. You can input the customer address as well. Billing address and project status is not necessary for now. Adjust the currency and exchange rate, then click Save. You can see the project ID and project title at the top. Next is Roof Areas page. Here you can enter the address and select the roof to lay out the solar panels on. You can already pre-select the roof, but it may show you multiple roof pieces. In that case, you can delete or cancel the selection and manually draw the room yourself to get more accurate results. The polygon drawing tool allows you to select points of the roof and create one joint roof area. After area selection is successful, you will have to add the correct address to this new building. If you already have a roof selected before, you can add to existing building to use the same location. You can add eave height and leave the inclination as 0. Click Save to see your roof shape. If you lose the roof in the map, you can always relocate it by clicking on the roof checkbox or the compass icon on the top right. You can use Join tool when you have overlapping roofs to merge them into one roof area. If you have an object on the roof to cut out, you can use the Cut tool to remove that. The system will automatically place the panels 2 meters distance from the boundary. Once you are satisfied with your room outline, you can go to Plant Options page. Here you can select your building and open more options to fill in specifications and details. From Basic Information tab, you can select the PV module as 580 WP and then select Yes option for the third rail. From Advanced Setting you can change the bearing to see different layout options. Click Update and the system will lay out the solar panels. Once it is generated, you can see the panels placed on the roof. You can click on the info icon and see the capacity and yield. Next, we will have to use the SunQuote price estimator to fill in some information. Each person will have this sheet for their own projects. Number 1. You can standardize the currency from the overview page in SunQuote and update it here. Number 2. For the KWP value, take the installed capacity value from SunQuote and place it in the cell. Number 3. Resetted till base minuter will be from SunQuote. Go to Classic SunQuote, find the same address of your building. Select your building, and you can see the details in this area. You can get the minuter value from here and then place it in the cell. Next is panel type, which is one choice for now. You can find snow load reference from SunQuote as well over here. Wind load will be based on the municipality data, which can be referred to from the Brigforce document. The height of building will be what you put in SunQuote, or you can get value from SunQuote as well. Next, select terrain category. TCD can be standard for now. Next, select roof material. Next, select voltage. Next, select layout based on simple layout, standard layout, or complex layout after observing the solar panel layout. Next, select how many roof heights there are. And lastly, check how many hours far away is the location from your base using Google Maps. After completing the table, you will have to add how many kilowatts per inverter. From 400 voltage, we put 125 kilowatts. For 300 voltage, we put 60 kilowatts. Then go to Vexelator in SunQuote and select the correct kilowatt of the inverter and save it. Then look at the prices. If you need including AC, take the last figure and place it in SunQuote price. The information will update the remaining price details for this project, which you can view up in the icon. You can capture an image of the solar panel layout to include it in the presentation. Last page is the offer page. Here you will see a summary of your production and other data. From the sheet, you can get the general VECT value and update it in the offer page. Finally, go to Reservation tab and update the information in the blank spaces with their calculated values. Height, terrain category, roof type, voltage. Now you can open an editable offer. Here you can adjust any information as needed. Or you can generate the final PDF offer to finish the process. You can go back to main home page and you are done. If you need to work on this project, you may add more buildings and create updated offers. Thank you for using SunQuote.